Welcome to Paintless Dent Repair, Grand Junction, Colorado. If you need a dent repaired or have auto hail damage, you need to contact us for your paintless dent repair. We can get you the best price on dent removal in Grand Junction, Colorado. We partner with paintless dent removal shops in and around your area to get you the best price. Our shops can repair car door dings, bumper dents, fender dents, trunk dents, hail damage, and more. Contact us today and we will get you in touch with the best auto body shops in town. You will receive a free paintless dent removal estimate and sometimes even a loaner car. Don't want to leave your house? No problem. Our PDR shops can do mobile removal. Remember, we will get you the best price for paintless dent repair in Grand Junction, Colorado. Our services include car dent repair, door ding removal, bumper dent repair, fender dent removal, mobile dent repair, auto hail repair, free dent estimation, collision repair, paint repair, scratch removal, detailing, ceramic coating, window tinting. Pay your deductible. Not every shop can perform all services, but we will try our best to get you the best price. In some cases, the auto body shop can pay your insurance deductible. If you're not sure of how to go about getting your dent repaired, we can give you a free paintless dent removal estimate and help find the best shop for you. Let us know what type of car damage or dents your vehicle has so that we can connect with the right shops in town for an accurate quote on price. We have partnered with professional auto hail repair companies near Grand Junction, Colorado that provide our customers with high-quality work at affordable prices. Contact one of our experts today if you need more information. Common questions about PDR. What is paintless dent repair? PDR is an innovative process that allows for the removal of minor surface panel damage without any painting or other vehicle modifications. This technique, often referred to as paintless dent removal, preserves a car's original paint finish and can be performed by certified technicians who have experience with this specialized skill set. Paintless dent removal involves using special tools designed to massage out imperfections on panels behind the visible surfaces in order to preserve your car's original look while still getting rid of dents from it, all without having to use traditional methods like sanding down, cutting away excess material around damaged areas and then premiering before applying paint again, which could take hours depending on how large the area being repaired was. If you want to learn more about the repair process and get answers, make sure to read this How to Fix Dents Condo post. You will learn which PDR techniques work and which ones don't. How much does paintless dent repair cost? Painting and refinishing can be costly to your wallet. Paint is expensive, as are labor costs for painting vehicles. If you're looking for a cheaper option without the high cost of paint or labor, then consider PDR, paintless dent repair. It's not only time saving, but it also saves on both money and frustration that come from car damage due to accidents, etc. The cost of paintless dent removal will vary based on the severity and location of any issues. On average, door dings usually come with a price tag that ranges between $50 to $125 depending on their size. The larger dents that are caused by collision often have an estimated quote in between $150 and $350 for repairs, while getting your car fixed up again at our shop is possible through insurance coverage if you've got it. Why choose our shops in Grand Junction, CO? Our paintless dent removal company has some of the best technicians in the field. You can count on them to fix any minor dents and dings with a high level of manual labor skills, but it's not just about how much they know, it also depends where you live. Nobody knows PDR better than our team though. Whether or not we'll be able to repair your dent is dependent largely on its size, location, and extent. We're confident that even if one factor isn't favorable by itself for us, we have plenty more tricks up our sleeve.